Welcome back to the Dinar Current, where we decode global currency shifts and investment rumors. Today, we re-dive in deep into a hot topic that has everyone buzzing, the Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong. Will these two currencies revalue together? Is a simultaneous RV even possible? Or is it just hype? Let's break it down with facts, data, and insights. First, let's clarify what we mean by revaluation. A currency revaluation is an official increase in the value of a country's currency in relation to a foreign benchmark, usually the US dollar. It's usually done by the government or central bank to reflect economic changes, reduce inflation, or adjust trade balances. For countries like Iraq and Vietnam, both of which have undergone conflict, sanctions, and financial resets, the idea of revaluation is appealing to investors holding their currencies. But is a dual revaluation actually realistic? Let's take a look at the history of both currencies. The Iraqi dinar was once highly valued, even stronger than the US dollar in the 1980s. After years of war, sanctions, and rebuilding, the dinar has remained artificially low, currently trading at around 1,300 IQD to one United States dollar. The Vietnamese Dong followed a similar pattern. After the Vietnam War and economic restructuring, the Dong saw massive devaluation. It now trades at around 24,000 VND to one United States dollar. Both currencies are undervalued in the eyes of some investors, with speculation that their real value is suppressed and could rise dramatically. So why do so many believe that the Dinar and Dong will revalue at the same time? There are a few reasons behind this theory. Global reset theory. Many believe in a financial reset, where many countries, especially those with suppressed economies, will reset or revalue their currencies simultaneously. Speculator communities. Online, forums, and Dinar Dong holders often exchange ideas that create a perceived connection between the two. BRICS and de-dollarization, as countries like China, Russia, Iraq, and Vietnam aim to move away from USD dependency. Some see this as a path toward revaluation. Currency pairings in historical contexts. Some claim that certain currencies have revalued in tandem in past economic realignments. But are any of these arguments rooted in reality? Let's find out. Currency experts and economists are largely skeptical of the idea of simultaneous Here's why. Each country has unique economic conditions. Iraq's oil wealth and Vietnam's manufacturing economy make their monetary policies vastly different. Revaluation is a rare tool. Central banks prefer to manage exchange rates subtly through inflation targeting and interest rate adjustments. There's no official coordination. No statements from the IMF, World Bank, or CBI suggest any plans for joint revaluation. However, some believe that market forces and geopolitical shifts could cause certain currencies to increase in value over time, possibly near the same period, but not through coordinated revaluation. If you're watching for signs of a possible revaluation, here are some key indicators to monitor. Central bank announcements. Statements from the Central Bank of Iraq or the State Bank of Vietnam. Currency auctions. Iraq's daily Forex auctions provide clues into rate management. Trade agreements. New deals with major economies may signal rising currency strength. Debt relief for IMF reports. Countries working with the IMF may restructure or stabilize before any currency shift. Gold reserves. Increasing gold holdings could signal preparation for currency realignment. Now let's talk risk. Many people buy dinar or dong as part of a get-rich-quick plan, expecting massive returns. The truth, there's no guarantee that either currency will revalue significantly or ever. Currency speculation is high risk. Always approach it as a long-term hold, not a lottery ticket. Only invest what you can afford to lose. So, will the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong revalue together? It's highly unlikely they'll do so in a coordinated fashion. But individually, both countries are making economic progress that could lead to stronger currencies over time. Stay informed, stay realistic, and keep watching this space for verified news, not hype. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. New insights drop every week. Thanks for watching, and remember, real wealth comes from real knowledge.